In this video, we will talk about how to factory reset on Windows 11. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll down, click on Recovery. In Reset This PC, click on Reset PC, as we are going to do factory reset. So select Remove Everything. If you choose Cloud Download, it downloads a fresh copy. Or you can go with Local Reinstall to reinstall Windows from your device. I am selecting Local Reinstall. In Additional Settings, you can see the current settings. To change the settings, click on Change Settings. After making changes, click on Confirm, then click on Next. After confirming, click on Reset. It's going to take a while. Let me fast forward it. After reset, you will get the same options when you install a fresh new Windows 11. Simply select your options. Once you will be on this screen, you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can create a local account to bypass sign-in option. Check out the video link given in the description on how to set up local account on Windows 11. Here, you can see we have a fresh new Windows 11. So that's how you can factory reset on Windows 11. See you in the next video.